Hello friends, viewers, well-wishers, welcome back to our channel, S Square Maths YouTube channel. Today now we are going to discuss our functions part 5. Okay, so now as usual we gone through the part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, once you go through it, those who did not gone through it, now I am going to explain very interesting problem. Here f of x is defined in such a way that cos square x plus sin power 4x plus sin square x plus cos power 4x. So for all x belongs to real numbers, then we have to show that f of 2021 is equal to 1. So let us go through the problem now. So f of x is nothing but our here cos square x plus sin power 4x by here it is sin square x plus cos power 4x. So this implies, so we have to simplify the given expression here. So follow this carefully. This is nothing but functions along with the trigonometry. So now here f of x is equal to cos square x plus sin square x can be written as here sin power 4x can be written as sin square x the whole square by here I can write 1 minus cos square x and here it is cos power 4x. So a power m whole power n and replaced here sin square x with this. So this implies now here f of x is nothing but our cos square x plus, again I can write it as 1 minus cos square x the whole square by 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. So two main things we have done here. Once again analyze up our problem, nothing but it is functions along with trigonometry. So f of x is defined trigonometric in terms of trigonometric function here. Then we had to show that f of 2021 is equal to 1. Okay, so I replaced this sin square x with 1 minus cos square x and here it is sin power 4x replaced with sin square x the whole square. Again we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So from that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So these are the main things I have done. So the leftover part, continuation. So nothing but here I can write here f of x is nothing but, so cos square x plus expand in the form of a minus b whole square. So nothing but here cos square x plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square. So b is nothing but here cos square x the whole square minus 2 a is nothing but 1 here and b is cos square x by the same denominator. So nothing but 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. So simplifying here f of x is nothing but our cos square x plus 1 square is 1 and here it is cos power 4x minus 2 cos square x by the same denominator here again. So 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. If you observe carefully here, let us go through the like terms. So cos square x and minus 2 cos square x, which gives you f of x is nothing but our, here I can write 1 cos square x minus 2 cos square x is minus cos square x and the leftover part is nothing but here cos power 4x by again the same denominator what we are going to get in the numerator. So 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. So get cancelled. So nothing but our f of x is 1. So what do you mean by here f of x is equal to 1? Nothing but here our defined f of x is a constant function. So hence whatever the value you are going to consider, so hence f of 2021 is 1 here. So what is the reason here? F of x is constant here. F of x is constant function. So hence it is proved. So in order to proceed this problem, you should able to know here just a small concept of trigonometric identities, replacing and a minus b whole square and simplifying. So seems to be around 10 steps but very easy, nothing here twisting. So at the same time at the end you should be able to know about the constant function. So part 5 functions, okay, it is based on our trigonometric concepts. So once you have a look, so not only watching, like the video if you feel good and share to your near and dear friends so that they'll get the knowledge for the upcoming examinations. Catch you in the next video session.